The Tetanus Vaccine by Aiden Tan, Jessica Cruz, Hope Emmett, and Amy Estrada.
Hey there, I'm here to talk to you about tetanus, aka lockjaw. It's called that because it can cause painful muscle contractions in your jaw, your neck, and your abdominal muscles, which can affect your ability to breathe and swallow. It's caused by a bacteria called Clostridium tetani, which are commonly found in the environment and soil, and it can get into your body through contact with your cuts or your wounds. These bacteria produce a very potent toxin that travels to your neurons, which can then act on your central nervous system in a very detrimental way. There are no treatments for this disease, only ways to manage the symptoms, meaning that prevention, aka the tetanus vaccine, is necessary to stop this disease.
My name is Aiden, and I'm going to be talking about how the tetanus vaccine works. So the tetanus vaccine doesn't use live bacteria. Instead, it contains a harmless form of the toxin called a toxoid. It can't make you sick, but your body still recognizes it as a threat. So after you get the shot, special immune cells called dendritic cells pick up this toxoid, break it down, and show pieces of it called antigens to helper T cells. This triggers a signaling cascade inside your immune system. The T cells then go on to release chemicals called cytokines, which tell B cells, which are another type of immune cell, to start producing antibodies. These antibodies then act like locks that perfectly fit the key shape of the tetanus toxin, which end up blocking it from damaging your nerves and protecting you from the disease.
Hi, my name's Hope, and I'm going to be discussing the memory and long-term protection when you get the tetanus shot. So when you get the tetanus vaccine, your immune system is basically training for the real fight. It meets a harmless version of the toxin called the toxoid and learns exactly what to do if the real one ever shows up. After that practice round, your body keeps a memory team made up of memory B cells and memory T cells. These can stick around for years, even decades, just quietly waiting for any danger. Then, if the actual tetanus toxin ever gets in, those memory cells jump into action. They don't waste any time. They start pumping out antibodies and destroy the toxin before it can cause any harm. But like any memory, it can fade a little over time, and that's why we get booster shots every 10 years. They're like a quick reminder to keep your immune system and defenses sharp and ready to protect you.
My name is Amy. I will be telling you about a few pros and cons about this vaccine. A few pros would be it uses a safe and active toxoid, which means they do not use live bacteria. This vaccine also provides long-lasting protection with boosters that last 10 years. It also comes in a combination shot, meaning the vaccine for this disease will also protect you from other two diseases. Some side effects would be soreness, redness, or swelling of injection site, fatigue, mild fever, headache or muscle aches, mild nausea, but these go away quickly. Serious reactions like allergy reaction or hypersensitivity are extremely rare, but can still happen.
That's it. Thank you so much for watching, and stay healthy.